Ladies and gentlemen, there is another good news. Mr. Shah Nawaz, who is Senior Planning Engineer in Saudi Parson, he has passed RMP with four above target and one target, and overall above target. Congratulations, Mr. Shah Nawaz. It's really a
Thank you, Mr.
good
Guldar.
news. Please tell us what are your feelings and what were your feelings after passing PMP, and how do you, what difference do you find in between them, and how better you feel than PMP, and please also tell us that how much effort level is more or less than PMP in doing RMP.
First of all, thank you, Mr. Guldar, to give me an opportunity to speak about RMP exam and lessons learned. First of all, I will compare PMP and RMP. PMP is big exam than RMP. Maybe RMP is a 40% of PMP. Okay, so my lessons learned are if you can, if you are already PMP and you spend less time after PMP, you can clear RMP very easily. For example, if you study one time standard, which is RMP standard,
Right.
and
Yes.
appendix, and
Yes. Appendix B.
you can solve questions, means Ala Sultan simulator, which is 300 or two questions. I think these questions are enough. 300 questions are enough. If you can solve those questions more than 90%, inshallah, you will crack RMP exam. These are my lessons
Yes.
learned. And RMP exam is not tough as PMP exam.
As PMP is. That's nice. How many months you have studied RMP, and how many months did you spend while you were doing PMP? You have told that this is 40%. It takes 40% of the effort level from PMP.
Well, when I was trying for PMP exam, actually that was the time of Corona. Okay, and I was feeling difficulties in booking PMP exam in KSA. So at that time, parallelly, I booked RMP exam. I applied and approved application. Then I booked exam for RMP. That was also cancelled. After that, I did not study about RMP. So I spent 1 year without any study. After that, I go to Pakistan, and I came back to Saudi Arabia through Bahrain. So 14 days quarantine period was in Bahrain. So I availed that opportunity, 14 days, free of any job, no work, okay, only study. So this is my hard work about RMP. Within 14 days, I complete this RMP.
That's really nice to know that within 2 weeks, almost within 2 weeks, RMP can be prepared and RMP can be passed.
Yes, yes. If you are already PMP and you have good score in PMP, so you can pass RMP within 14 days, no problem.
I cannot hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, thank you. So we were saying that RMP can be done within 2 weeks.
Within 2 weeks,
non-stop working.
Inshallah.
And how many hours per day you were spending for RMP during these 14 days?
You know, this effort was projectized, not it was a constant effort daily 6 hours. No, I will not say it was 6 hours daily. In first days, it was 3 hours or 4 hours. After that, 3 or 4 days, I studied maybe 8 hours, maybe 10 hours. Okay. So last 3 or 4 days, I studied for 8 hours. This is my experience. Because in Bahrain,
And
I was only
what was,
studying, not working.
yeah, there was no other business to do.
Yes.
So you were continuously spending the time for RMP. So what was your score in the Ala Sultan mock test? What was the range?
Yes, as you know, that I was telling every day, Mr. Gulzar, this is my score. Tell me, advise me what to do. And you was telling, yes, go ahead for exam, go ahead for exam. My first score in 170 question was 70%. In 102 questions, it was 83%. And in 31 questions,
Excellent.
it was 90%. Okay.
90%. That's
I'm talking about first attempt. Second attempt, it was increasing. And third attempt,
good.
all scores was above 90.
Excellent. Excellent. So 3 times you have revised
Yes,
these
only
notes
3
and
times.
you were getting above.
On last day means I did RMP on 19th of March. Okay. On 18th of March, I attempt 170 questions and I got 91%.
Excellent. Excellent. Shanwaz, what is the reason for stakeholder engagement domain which you are on target? What do you think? What were the questions? What were the trickiness that you could not jump to above target in this domain? Because stakeholder engagement, we have studied in PMP also, and communication, stakeholder engagement, these are almost parallel knowledge areas. So other specifically, yes, it is also risk management, but this is old and known knowledge area. So what do you think? What may be the reason for this?
Yes, I reviewed my
going on
performance.
target?
I reviewed my performance and I studied outline and percentages of questions in exam. The stakeholder questions are less. Okay. So if there are less questions, if you make a wrong answer for only one question in stakeholder, your domain will be failed or below target or above target. Means one question can decide in this domain. That's why this domain was on target.
So the lesson learned here is that those domains which have less number of questions or less percentage contribution to the overall exam, they should be carefully done. So
yes,
that if
you must focus on those domains.
Really need to focus
you
on
must
those.
Focus on those domains. Moreover, related to stakeholders, there are very less questions in simulator.
I see. This is also one reason.
Stakeholder question related to stakeholder domain, there are less questions in simulator, and in exam I saw those questions which I never solved. I never saw in anywhere.
Never. Okay.
Yeah. And Ala Sultan simulator is very, very good simulator. Okay. Maybe 15 or 20, or I can say 25 questions are as it is. As it is question.
As it is, really?
Yes. As it is questions.
Out of
no
170.
change. Okay. And RMP questions are lengthy and tricky and more numericals than PMP. Okay. And very tricky numericals. My lesson learned is also solve numericals 2 or 3 times, even 4 or 5 times. And think what question can be there in exam.
In the exam, right?
Yeah.
Right. How many questions were there from mathematics or numerical questions? How many?
More or less 15 or 20 questions were numerical questions.
15 or 20 questions from numerical. And how many, if we go in this way, we'll go by process-wise, that in plan risk management, identify risk, then qualitative, quantitative, then plan risk responses, then monitor risk. So can you categorize that? How many questions were there from each process?
I cannot categorize like this, but I must say that qualitative identify process and identify risk and qualitative risk analysis was focused on in this exam. Identify process
Identify
and
and
qualitative analysis.
qualitative.
Yes.
So there were more questions.
Yes,
From
there
the-
were more questions related to these domains or processes. I must say processes.
One of the guy who passed before you, that one
Yeah.
week before, he said the situational questions were mostly from plan risk responses and plan risk management process. Do you agree with, do you find something like this in the exam, that only situational questions were mostly focusing for these two processes?
No, I cannot say something about this. I cannot say.
So it was not case in,
Maybe I
in,
don't
your, in
remember.
your exam.
Yes.
Okay. So how many direct questions from tools and techniques there were? Was
More or
strictly
less
asking
10
the-
questions. More or less 10 questions.
More or less 10 questions. And how many related to Monte Carlo? How many related to
Monte Carlo and LHC, Latin hypercube. These are most important. More questions about Monte Carlo and LHC. Maybe 5, maybe 10.
Maybe 5 or 10. Okay,
Yes.
can you suggest that for communication, stakeholder
Yes.
engagement and procurement, because there are some questions from these knowledge areas also. How many questions were in your exam? Approximately how many were there from communication or stakeholder engagement?
From communication
And,
were very easy questions actually. 3 or 4.
Okay, 3 or 4. And any question from procurement?
No question from procurement, but there were questions from schedule management.
What about for stakeholder?
Yeah,
Sorry,
from
please.
stakeholder there were more questions. Means
Because there
as
is
compared to
domain also.
communication. As compared to communication, there were more questions from stakeholder.
Do you suggest that to strengthen the stakeholder engagement, the aspirants should go to solve the PMP question from the same knowledge areas, stakeholder engagement? Do you suggest, or it is not no need?
I think
Because
no need.
when
If you want to pass RMP exam above target, all above target, you must focus on Ala Sultan mock test. Okay. And you must solve those mock tests more than 3 or 4 times. You will crack RMP exam above target.
Shanawaz, Ala Sultan has only 3 mocks, 170 questions in one mock, 102 questions in one mock, and 31 questions in
Yes.
third mock.
170, 102, and 31.
So
these
total
these
they
3
have
mocks are enough. This is my experience. I did not solve any other questions.
300 questions.
Yeah.
These are only 300 questions.
Yes, this
And
is my
in the
experience.
exam you are going to.
This is my experience. If you solve more questions than these 300, maybe you will confuse. And you will waste time and you will waste energy. Solve these 300 questions more than 3 times if you want to get the above target. I cannot listen you.
Can you hear
yes,
me?
now it's okay. It's okay now.
Shanos, can you hear me?
Yes, it's okay now.
I'm sorry, there was some network issue.
No problem.
So you suggest that no need to go for PMP, stakeholder engagement modes for this one?
No need. No need.
No need. Okay. And 300 questions of Ala Sultan are enough to pass through RMP. And you are the
Yes.
live example that you have done this job in 2 weeks, more or less for
Yes, 2 weeks.
That's excellent.
You know, 2 weeks were not complete. I spent 2 days. After that, you called me. What is about RMP?
I see. Yeah,
You know,
I was on Umrah visit, so I could not.
so your call was sparking for me.
Sparking in what sense? I could not understand this.
Means you tell me that you must wake up and go for RMP exam.
Yeah, really, because you have asked me that how I am prepared, and we have done some mocks together, and you were well
Yeah.
prepared. And
Mm.
luckily, you were having the chance of Prometric Center open in Bahrain, and it was
Yes.
really nice and excellent opportunity which you availed, and you passed through it. Shanwaz,
Yes.
as you know, my exam is on 11th of April, and there will be other RMP aspirants who will be listening to your lesson learned. What is the summarized lesson learned, or in 2 or 3 sentences? What do you want to tell me who is going to take the exam on 11th of April?
Okay. Number one, study 4 or 5 chapters of a PIM book: schedule management, cost management, stakeholder management, communication, and risk management.
Okay,
At least one time
right,
from PIM book.
right,
Okay. Risk standard, appendix, especially critical success factors.
mm,
Okay.
right,
And attempt a mock test of Ala Sultan
okay,
at least 3 times. If you can solve more than 3 times, it will be better. And go ahead and uh, go to biometric center one time, means one day before.
okay. So to be familiarized
Yes.
with the place. Okay, how many questions
Yes.
were from the Appendix D, and how many from standards or ECU content outline?
I cannot say about appendix or standard,
Hmm.
but I must say that there were questions from critical success factors.
They were easy or little harder. Like you remember, we were doing
No, no,
neutral,
those were easy. Those were easy,
risk
not
neutral,
difficult.
risk tolerant, and risk averse, risk seeker. You remember those 4 questions which we were mingling up also.
Yes, yes. Risk attitude,
Hmm.
risk averse, risk seeker, risk tolerant, risk neutral. You
Right.
must study, you must focus on these.
Okay, thank you very much for your time, Mr. Shanwas. Best of luck for your next assignment. Hopefully, you are not going to leave behind, because I know you are a good aspiring guy and you will be looking for another. What is your next plan? Please tell me so that I can also set my target after
My
completing
next plan is PSP,
PSP. Hopefully,
AACE PSP,
okay, PSP.
which is
Oh,
not from PMI,
it's not from PMI. Okay.
American Association of Cost Engineers, Planning and Scheduling Professional. I will go for PSP.
Okay. Thank you very much for your time. See
Thank
you.
you, Mr. Gulzar.
Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz. Bye
Namaste.
bye.